everybody, I'm Andrew Mefferd. I'm the editor of Growing for Market magazine, and we're here on my farm in central Maine. I've got a counterintuitive greenhouse tip for you. So it's hot out, trying to keep your greenhouses and hoop houses as cool as possible. Seems like the thing you should do is to roll up the sides and leave the doors open on the ends to get as much airflow as possible, right? Actually, you'll get better airflow if you leave those sides rolled up but close the doors. Because air, like most things in life, tries to take the path of least resistance. So when you have these doors open, what happens is air goes in that door and it goes straight out that vent. Whereas what you really want to be happening is you want to be drawing the air in through the sides before it heats up and goes out those vents. So you will actually get a better airflow over your plants if you leave the sides up and have the doors closed like this, except for when people are going in and out of the greenhouse. So if you find this kind of information useful, check out our magazine. You can get a year of digital for only $30, and the print subscriptions start at $45. And if you're looking for greenhouse information in specific, you can check out my book, The Greenhouse and Hoop House Grower's Handbook.